Hello, if you want to delete your Facebook history, then keep watching this video till the end. Basically, there are two ways to delete your Facebook history. Firstly, if you want to delete your Facebook search history, it's pretty simple. Just look at the very top side, here is a search bar, just click there. And now see whatever you searched on Facebook will be displayed here. And if you want to delete in a search history from here, just click on this three-dot icon and now click on delete. That particular search history will be deleted, okay? But if you want to delete your watch history too, then go back for the next process. Now at the top right corner, click on your profile picture. Now besides the search bar, there is a settings icon, so click on it. Now scroll down a little bit, keep scrolling down, and now see under your activities section, here is an activity log option, so click on it. Now at the very top side, here is a search bar, so click on it. Now all the categories of your Facebook history will be displayed here. For example, your posts, photos, and videos. I mean, if you click on the first option, whatever you posted on your Facebook profile or page will be displayed. And videos you have searched for. I mean, if you search for any videos on Facebook, then it will be displayed here if you click on this option. Now, videos you have watched. If I click here, so this was a video that I watched on this profile. And if you want to delete this watch history, just click on this three-dot icon. Now click on delete. Now my history is deleted. So this is how you can delete your watch history. And now if I go back and see here your source history, if I click here, all my source history list will be displayed here, okay? So if you want to delete your source history, just click on this three-dot icon and now click on delete and now click on delete again. So this is how you can delete your Facebook history so easily. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe this channel. And if you're watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you, bye bye.